How to open Buffalo Wild Wings nutrition and allergy information before ordering. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Buffalo Wild Wings page, scroll down at the bottom and click on Nutrition and Allergen Guide, which will lead you to this page. Here, click on Nutrition Guide, view the Buffalo Wild Wings Nutrition Guide, and it will download the PDF for you. You can click on the PDF. You will be able to see all the nutrition. And if you go back, you will find Allergen and Preparation Guide. Click on View, and then it will download again. And here you will be able to see all allergen information. And this is how to open Buffalo Wild Wings nutrition and allergen information before ordering. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.